healthy or not. If you want to be healthy, these hormones should be generated more often. Being in the present, meditation, laughing, these create these hormones. If you are like very angry, in a bad mood, cortisol will be generated, and you can have a lot of health issues. A lot of health issues. The one point, sometimes people say, I don't have time for my health. Either I'm too old for this, I'm too young for this, I'm fit, I look like, no, I need it. No. Every single person, whether you're young, you are healthy, you're smart, you're old, you're mid-age, you need something to do for your health. Maybe a walk, maybe running, trekking, gym, swimming, whatever you want to do, do it. But you need to do it. And if some of you, I can see a couple of you maybe, if you are 40 plus or close to 40, please start doing from today. Otherwise, you're gone.
For this, मैं ये कहा करती हूँ कि अगर आप खुद से मोहब्बत नहीं करते तो आपकी बाकी सबसे मोहब्बत फेक है. पहले अपने आप से मोहब्बत करो तो आप बाकी सबको मोहब्बत करने और उन्हें देने के काबिल रहोगे.
You come first, actually.
Yes.
Right? आसान सा एक फॉर्मूला है. आप चेयर पे बैठें, ये टांग सीधी करें और उठ के खड़े हो जाएं. अगर आप खड़े हो सकते हैं तो 60, 65, 70 तक you will be okay. You can't do it, it's your life. Very simple exercise. You can go home and check. Let me tell you again. Sit on a chair like this. One leg straight. And now you stand up. If you can stand up, easy people do. If your muscles are good enough, you can stand up. If your muscles are not good enough, it means in 65, 70s you'll be either on bed or on wheelchair. Very simple. It's your life. Whatever you want to do. Let's move forward. जो मैंने कहानियाँ सुनानी थी वो खत्म हो गई. अब आपकी बारी है. We are starting with that. The technique we are going to use is called Lego Serious Play Method, LSMP. Lego blocks are normally used by the kids, children. They do a lot of things. But Lego came up with an idea of Lego Serious Play Method that is used for organizations, for adults. It is used for strategy making, idea generation, team building, performance boosting, individual goal setting, happiness. There are a lot of trainings that you can do with the Lego Serious Play Method. The major difference with that is कि अभी तक मैं बोल रहा था, आप सुन रहे थे, सुबह में चुप करके स्कूल से बैठे हो. Lego Serious Play Method or Lego gives you 100% participation. 100% means 100%. In your normal ways, in meetings, in these lectures, it's like maybe 80-20 or something like that. One person speaking, others are interacting some part of the time. But here in Lego, it's 100%. From now onwards, I would request you कि आपके पास है weapons of mass interference. उनको आप kindly या तो silent पे कर लें, your mobile phones. Weapons of mass interference. Actually, these are weapons of mass destruction. That's my philosophy, but still put them on a silent. Okay. Because again, it's your life. If you want to get out of it, so mobile silent पे होना जरूरी है. We would be critical, but not like in a negative way. So whatever somebody makes and explains, we need to respect the group. And whatever you make, you need to own it. It's good, it's bad, it's small, it's big, it's working, it's not working, you have made it. So you need to own that thing. Owning actually solves a lot of problems. That's the mind. It solves. Respect the tables. जब हम काम शुरू करेंगे, there shouldn't be nothing else than this on the table. No pens, No papers. No, not right now. Not right now. Jump through it. No books, no mobile phones, nothing. Only these things. And your hands. That's it. So now onwards, it's all about these 10 fingers. So what are you going to make? You're going to use these two hands. You might be shy, you might be feeling concept of Johnny counter, but I bet you at the end of the day, you will be happy because they are really asking. So it's all about your hand. 70%, 70 to 80% of the connections to the brain are from these hands, these two hands. That's the research says. ये होता है normally trainings में, meetings में, अब experience हुआ हुआ किसी न किसी का, क्यों सर? होता है ना? इस तरह की situation होती है. We won't have this. Okay जी, that's it. My time is over. Please remove all the everything else. Please be careful, they're very small pieces. ये बड़े वाले मुझे दे रहे फिलहाल के लिए. ये वाले सारे. कर लें. तो रिमूव करके
इसके ऊपर लगाओ कुछ.
Nothing is good, nothing is bad. You just need to sort of have a confidence in your hands. That's it. In your hands.
One more.
Hands.
One more.
And आपने या 5 minutes. हाँ आप ये पहले क्लिक कर लें फिर बात देख लें इसको. Actually, you should be standing. Please. You should be standing. Chairs पीछे कर दें. Should be standing. Right. So हाँ ब्लॉक साइड कर लें देख लें. इधर आना इधर आ जाएं. So you have 5 minutes to build the tallest standing tower. टावर खुद खड़ा होना चाहिए, आपके हाथ नहीं लगने चाहिए आपको. Single. I mean, it's up to you. I don't know. I just know. Let's see who builds the tallest standing tower in 5 minutes. The time starts now.